least 2 to 3 content. Many people, they don't engage with their audience. People will forget you. So you will become invisible from the market. There are the 5 mistakes that coaches do while generating organic leads from Facebook. The first thing, they don't have the right type of audience. Whether it is a followers list or the friend list, it is very important to have a right kind of audience on your followers list. Because if you don't have followers list, it is very difficult to nurture them and target them and attract them to convert into a paid clients. That's the first thing. Second thing is building a community. You cannot target all the followers and just asking all of them money, because only 3% of people are really ready to pay. So first you need to understand, out of all the followers list, how many people are really interested what exactly you are teaching. So you have to build an interest group. That is we call is our Facebook community. That's why Facebook community is the most important uh, factor when it comes to organic sales, because your effort of marketing will be very less. Third biggest mistake that people do is sharing other social media links. No social media likes other social media links because they are competitors, right? They don't want their customer to take away by other social media. So if you really wanted to post your Facebook, so YouTube content on Facebook, then you need to download that file and put it as a native content rather than sharing that links. Or you can put it in a restreaming software, and that can also stream as it to live. Fourth, that I've observed that even if you have an audience, but many people, they don't engage with their audience. So if you are not engaging with your community, your social media community, it is very difficult to make money out of it. So you have to engage each and every comment that coming towards your post, your stories, everything. Last but not the least, which is consistency. Consistency, if you are not going to consistent with your content, then people will forget you. So you will become invisible from the market. One tip I would like to give. So when it comes to consistency, you need to put at least 2 to 3 content every single week on your social media. I hope you liked it, and if you want to learn more about organic marketing, how you can build a system using the power of Facebook group, I have a live workshop, 2-hour live workshop coming this weekend. So you can sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.